question is excellent for junior cert, for leaving cert. This is a common situation, and I know for junior cert it's actually a little bit like a hidden knowledge. That knowledge is a little bit hidden from you, but then that doesn't mean you can't use it or you can't know it. So this is where we are looking for power of a number. So let's have a look at this example. So we have express 16 and 32 in the form 2 to the power of k. So what does that mean? So instead of 16, I have to write 2 to the power of k. Or instead of 32, I have to write 2 to the power of k. So I need to know what is that value of k. So what is that k? That is the power, isn't it? So 2 in both of the cases is my base. K in both of them, that's my power. And the outcome of that, so whether it is 32 or 16, that equals product. And yes, I know you can put 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 in your calculator till you work out how much will be 16 or how much will be 32. How many times do you have to multiply 2 by 2? I know it's a very simple example, but if we understand that, we can apply that to more complex one that we cannot work that way. So I'm looking, I know the product, I know the base in both cases, isn't it? I am looking for power. So I am looking for power. So in maths, the way you do your thing when you text people or whatever you do, you don't write very often the full words or the full sentences. So it's the same kind of idea with maths. Instead of me saying I am looking for power, I can just write log. Log means I am looking for power. So in this case, I am saying log, I am looking for power of what base? 2. Of what product? 16. So therefore, the outcome of that calculation will be my power k. Yeah? So it is a log of a base of product, and the outcome of that is power. Now, in your calculator, how you put that, you need to find where you have log and you have one box and second box, yeah, with two boxes in order to put that. So when we put that in our calculator, press equal, we get that this value is 4. And then here again, log of 2 base product 32 will give me k. Again, we put that in the calculator and we get that that is 5. So 16 is 2 to the power of 4, and 32 is 2 to the power of 5. Now, hence, they are saying with that knowledge, otherwise, find the value of x. And here we have now, they put that whole equation together. However, we can again use that shortcut, isn't it? Because 16 is what? Base. X here, that's my power. And the outcome of that is product. I know the base, I know the product, I am looking for what? Power. So I'm going to say I'm looking for power, therefore log of a base of a product, and the outcome of that calculation is power. So that means applying that here, log the base is 16, the product is 32, and the power is x. When we put that in the calculator and press equal, we get the answer that x is 5/4. So if you know how to use that, that's a nice shortcut that you can use.